Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Bed Wars. Today we're playing duos. Are you guys NPCs? Yes. Alright, speed reading time. No! What the hell? Nope, nope, you don't get to live. Nope. No, why did you come here? I'm here to destroy the bed. Oh, nope. Nope, 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 nope. Well, last game was a complete disaster. You just had to respawn at the same moment I'm gonna break the bed. You just had, and your teammate just had to. Okay. Why did you let him pass? Okay. Let's go. Nope, 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 nope. You don't get to live. You don't get to live. No! Bro, what? How can you do that? Bro, what? 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 No way you're gonna go there. No way. Bro, wait for me. Bro's already at the yellow base. What are you doing? What kind of bridging is that? Bro just had to. Okay, bro just had to win. Nope, die. Yes. Can you fall off? Yes. What? What the hell? No way, bro. Just. You know what? I'm not even complaining. Go break the bed. Go break the bed. Go break the bed. No. I gave you I gave you an apple. And you're breeding there. Wait, no, watch out. Watch out. No! I'm so bad. Bro is a god. No, you are not getting to my teammate. You are not getting to my teammate. You are so not getting to my teammate. And never mind, you might get to my teammate. No, that's the wrong sword. Uh, no, 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 no. No, yes. Yes, you fall down, yes. Oh, he's still down there. Hello. Yes, fall down. Haha, bye-bye. No, 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 no. I'm so bad.